Hello guys, welcome to the orbit of the coding. I am Alok Mukhya and today I am going to represent how to work SQL indexes. So in this session I am going to present how to work SQL indexes, how index actually sort the data. So I am taking an example of cluster index structure with the diagram. So before going to the explaining how to sort the indexes, but I'm going to some brief about what is indexes and how many types of indexes are there. So the main purpose of the indexes will use to retrieve the data too quickly, which help the improve the performance of the database. So two type of cluster indexes are there: cluster index and non-cluster index. And on the next session I will explain and provide some brief about what is cluster index and what is not cluster index and what is difference between both of them. But moving forward, here we will take examples of employee table. So now we have an employee table which contain 1200 row in a table, and employee id is the primary key. So employee ID is the primary key. So by default, cluster index created on the primary key. Whenever we create a table, so cluster index automatically created on the primary key. So this means employee data is sorted by the employee ID column and physically sorted in a series of data pages, tree-like structure that look like the flowing. So data engines automatically created a tree-like structure based on the number of records in a table. Suppose here we can take an example of employee table, and in employee table we have total 1200 records in there. So they created a tree-like structure. They created a root node, and after that, based on the record, they distributed the right nodes and leaf node and left leaf node. So here here we can create an intermediate level based on the records of the data. So on the first leaf node they contain the data 1 to 200, and the second 200 1 to 400, and so on. So bottom of so data row are contain the values of the database tables, like employee id contain the what kind of values are there. So data rows are already contain the uh, values of the employee id tables, and these are the called data pages and leaf pages or leaf nodes. So already I explained what is the things between them based on the diagram. So I'm going to the next slide. So now suppose I need to search employee ID 1120. So how they actually perform. So database engine already aware about that tree-like structure, indexes row and data rows. So they quickly go to the nodes. Suppose I need to find 1120 record. So then they go to the particular indexes that contain the data 1001 to 1200, and after that they go to the extreme left leaf node and they find the data too quickly. So here we need only three operations. So based on the three operations, they find the data too quickly. So this is the actual use of indexes, and based on the this manner, they find the data too quickly. So that's it in this video. So thank you for watching the Orbit of the Coding channel. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any query, then you can put the comment section. So thank you. Thank you for watching.